82, this Farmall 51 here. Alright, what you're looking at is a wore out old coal planter. It's the duplex planter. It's got a bunch of trash in there. But it's the old duplex planter, chain drive. It actually is in better shape than it looks. The runner pads here are pretty good. I'm getting ready to put me a fast hitch point on it here. And it takes the place, it mounts about right in here, and then the point kind of goes back up to here, and then a piece of square tubing slides over this that the point fits to, and that kind of is your I'm gonna make it to where I can put it on my 140 and plant with it. But it's not the best shape, but it's actually better, I mean, than I thought it was, but it actually works. So I'm just cleaning it up. I'm gonna do some see what plates I've got in here, and then we're gonna go to using it here a little bit here and get it ready for the garden. But like I say, it had I'm guessing that fit, I don't know exactly what that fit on up here, but if anybody, I've been looking for a 184 planter really, but International 184, but like I said, I had this one back there in the, not scrap pile, but it was laying back there behind the shop, so I said I'm going to use that. And actually that guy I got it from was using it when I picked it up, or he was using it, and it went with the tractor, the 69 140 that I used to have, so we went with that. But anyway, if anybody, I don't know much about these planters other than I don't have the fertilizer pot on the back here, but it's got the right and left. I gotta see what plates I've got in it, but I don't know much about this thing here, but it's worth messing with, you know. That's it. But anyway, if anybody has any little bit more information on this old coal planter here, it's kind of bent up a little bit, but straighten that back out. And I'm gonna make me a little fast hitch planter, and I'm on the hunt now for actually a 1-point carry-off if anybody has one. But next thing I'd like to find is a 184 planter to go behind a 140. But alright, thanks for watching.